Take a sip of refreshing barley latte. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, we will make cold barley latte. Barley powder is full pack of micronutrients and minerals that is needed for our body to prevent some diseases. So if you're all excited, let's start. First, you have to dissolve 6 grams of white sugar to hot water. Stir until dissolved. Once dissolved, it's ready. Then, open 1 pack of barley powder, which is Iam Worldwide Barley powder. Dissolve in a hot water. At least 40 ml of hot water. Stir until the powder is dissolved. Once dissolved, set aside. Then get a glass, put some ice, just a right amount of ice. Then pour some milk, about 200 ml. Oops. Then pour the sugar solution. Pour our barley. Then, charan! Our cold barley latte is almost done. Then mix all over, and it's ready to drink. Wow, we have a cold barley latte. That is all easy. So, success is having the right partner. These are our brand ambassadors, Rapi Tulpo, Lisa Soberano, Heart Evangelista, Manny Pacquiao. So if you have orders, just PM me at this number, WhatsApp 7260495. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy this video.